The platform is organized around geographic regions, each containing multiple availability zones to ensure high availability and low latency. It follows a pay-as-you-go pricing model and offers a generous free tier, including a $300 credit for new users and ongoing free usage quotas for many services. GCP is particularly known for its strengths in data analytics, especially BigQuery, container management with Kubernetes, artificial intelligence and machine learning, serverless computing, and hybrid/multi-cloud environments. Today, it offers more than 150 services and products across a wide range of domains, core service categories, and key features. 1. Compute services for running workloads of all sizes. Compute Engine, an infrastructure as a service, IaaS, offering that provides customizable virtual machines running Linux or Windows, with support for spot/preemptible instances and committed use discounts to reduce costs. Google Kubernetes Engine, GKE, a managed Kubernetes service supporting both autopilot and standard modes. Cloud Run, a serverless platform for deploying and running containerized applications with automatic scaling down to zero. App Engine, a platform as a service, PaaS, solution for developing and running web applications with automatic scaling. Cloud Functions, an event-driven serverless compute service supporting multiple programming languages. Batch, a fully managed service for large-scale batch processing workloads. 2. Storage and databases. Cloud storage, highly durable and scalable object storage with multiple storage classes, including standard, nearline, coldline, and archive. Cloud SQL, fully managed relational databases, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server, with backups, replication, and high availability. Alloy DB for PostgreSQL, a high-performance PostgreSQL, compatible database optimized for analytics and AI workloads. Cloud Spanner, a globally distributed relational database with strong consistency. Bigtable, a scalable NoSQL database for large-scale operational and analytical workloads. Firestore/Datastore, serverless document databases for web and mobile applications. FileStore, a managed file storage service supporting the NFS protocol. 3. Data analytics and processing pipelines. BigQuery, a serverless enterprise data warehouse for large-scale SQL analytics and built-in machine learning. Dataflow, a unified service for both streaming and batch data processing using Apache Beam. Dataproc, a managed service for running Hadoop and Spark clusters. Pub/Sub, an asynchronous messaging service for event-driven architectures. Looker, a business intelligence and analytics platform. Cloud Data Fusion, a visual ETL/ELT data integration tool. 4. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Vertex AI, a unified platform for building, training, deploying, and managing machine learning models. Gemini models and related tools, including Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform and Gemini Code Assist for generative AI applications and developer productivity. Cloud TPU, specialized processors designed to accelerate AI training and inference workloads. Additional services for computer vision, speech recognition, translation, natural language processing, and recommendation systems. The 5. Networking. Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, a software-defined private network with global reach. Cloud load balancing, global load balancing for HTTPS, TCP, and SSL traffic. Cloud CDN, a content delivery network leveraging edge caching. Cloud Armor, DDoS protection and web application firewall services. Cloud Interconnect and Cloud VPN, solutions for connecting on-premises environments to the cloud. Service Directory, API Gateway, and Traffic Director. 6. Security, Identity, and Compliance. Identity and Access Management, IAM, fine-grained access control and permission management. Security Command Center, a centralized platform for security posture management and threat detection. Cloud Key Management Service, KMS, and Secret Manager for managing encryption keys and secrets. Cloud Armor, Identity Aware Proxy, IAP, and Beyond Corp Enterprise. Compliance with major global standards such as SOC, ISO, HIPAA, GDPR, and FedRAMP. 7. Management, monitoring, and operations. Cloud monitoring, cloud logging, and error reporting for system monitoring and log analysis. Cloud Trace and Profiler for performance diagnostics. Cloud billing and cost management tools, including budgets and reporting. Cloud Console, the G-Cloud command line interface, and support for Terraform and Config Connector. 8. Other notable areas. Anthos, a platform for managing hybrid and multi-cloud environments based on Kubernetes. Media and gaming services such as Transcoder API and game servers. Internet of Things, IoT, and edge computing solutions. Web3 analytics and blockchain technologies. Specialized solutions for healthcare and life sciences. Key advantages. Scalability and reliability. Automatic scaling, multi-region replication, and service-level agreements, SLAs, of up to 99.99% or higher for many services. Strong focus on serverless technologies allows developers to focus on application development instead of infrastructure management. Powerful data and AI integration provides a seamless path from data analytics to machine learning and AI deployment. Global network infrastructure built on one of the largest and fastest private networks in the world. Open standards support, strong compatibility with Kubernetes, open source tools, and multi-cloud environments through Anthos. Sustainability, carbon neutral operations with detailed carbon footprint reporting. Getting started 1. Create a free Google Cloud account and receive a $300 credit. 2. Use the Google Cloud Console, the G-Cloud CLI, or Terraform to manage resources. 3. Explore the product catalog or the Google Cloud Marketplace for ready-made solutions. 4. Visit the official website for the latest services, pricing information, and SLA details. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications so you never miss new content about cloud computing and artificial intelligence. Share this video with friends who are interested in technology, and let us know in the comments which Google Cloud Platform service you would like to learn about first.